Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. As a lot of you know already, I'm trading different strategies on a lot of different exchanges. From grid trading to stack trading, all kinds of different trading. And today I'm going to add another strategy. I don't trade with indicators. I don't do technical analysis. I'm more a mathematical guy. So let's get to it. On the yellow line, I've already opened a market order trade on my Binance. And now we're going to add a few limit orders. The first limit order is going to be 2% down from the current market order we've done. There will be our first limit order. And then from there, this is 2%. Now the 2% will add 1% and make it 5% down for the next limit order. It's similar to dollar cost averaging. It's just my own version of it. 5%, and then the next trade will be 9% down from the current market price that we've opened from. I'll have 10 limit orders open at all time, meaning I can just quickly log in, see if I have 10 limit orders. If I have 10 limit orders available, I know my trades are all in place. If there's less than 10 limit orders, it means one of the trades went through and I need to see and add my sell limit order. As they move between the green and red lines, they'll make profit. And if they move outside of these lines, or my last red line were eaten up, I'll just reset this strategy. So it's basically stacking and dollar cost averaging down. It's something that's been working for me, which I'm sharing. I know everyone is going to have a different opinion on how to do it and what to do it. There's a lot of ways of how you can do it. It's a way that's working for me and which I'm enjoying. Today on Binance, I'll add the Bitcoin pair. Tomorrow, I'll probably add the Ethereum pair. Doing this strategy, at minimum, it will cost me $500 per pair to have all my orders in and in place. So I'll I'll use $500 per trade, put them in and have them set. I want to see this strategy. I'll probably look to do the top 50 coins eventually. It might take me a while to reach all 50, but that's going to be the goal. To trade the top 50 coins, doing this strategy all the way. It's good to dollar cost average. It's good to diversify. Use different kind of strategies to make sure when the one doesn't work, another one probably will be working and you can gain from it. So the red line will be my take profit, a sell limit order, and we'll add the green lines as buy limit orders if the market do come down. Let's get my Binance account. Let's set it up. We can do this. We'll go and put in, as you can see, I've already put in my sell order. Let's do it correctly. We'll put my sell limit order in on 36919.57 and we started on a $10 trade. We'll put in a $10 trade. What size was the trade? 276. Wonder why. Alright, 276. That should work. There we go. The order is in. And now we'll put in our buy limit orders. The next one is going to be on 3537.68, and this trade size is going to be $12.61. There we go. Our first limit order buy is in. The next trade is going to be on 34321.21. This trade size is going to be 16.96. Then we have 32840.74. The trade size is 2281. We go. And after 32, we got 31058.15. Yes, I do know a lot will be saying I'm stacking down very far, which I don't mind, because if the market do drop a lot, I'll have orders down below ready to catch them. And if they don't reach it and it hits my final sell limit order, I'll restack and I'll restart the pair just all over and do it again. And since I'm doing a lot of different coins, doing this strategy, in between they'll make up and add value overall. It's a simple strategy. You don't need to sit in front of the PC the entire day to have a look at it. You can set your trading view alerts for it to let you know if one of the trades got caught or not. Or you can look before work or after work and see, did any trades go through? Do you need to adjust anything? This is my own mathematical calculations. It's just my own way of trading, and it's things that's been working for me. Like I said before, I don't like doing TA. $74.66. And from there, I just keeps on building. The fun part of crypto is it will come down, but it will go up as well. And I'm only trading long positions. I don't ever trade shorts, because I do believe crypto has a future and a long potential. So as you can see, I've set up my strategy. I got my buy orders in. I got my sell order in. If it hits my sell order, I'll just reset my entire system. If it drops, I'll add another sell. If it drops, I'll add another sell. And I'll just keep on rolling it. A fun way of trading. It's a way which I enjoy. Leave my thoughts, your comments and concerns at the bottom. Probably tomorrow I'll add the Ethereum pair. And as I go along, I'll add one more and more and more. A simple setup, a simple calculation I'm doing, and something simple that works for me. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to add an alert. If the market crosses the value of 36919.57 to send me a warning. I do have the TradingView app on my phone, and it will send me a signal the moment that gets triggered. I can also add the alert if it crosses the value of my first trade, which is 35378.68. So the moment one of my buy orders or my sell order gets hit, I'll get the alert and I know I need to adjust one of my trades. Have a great one. Enjoy.